Do you watch YouTube videos when you're bored? Or do you spend a lot of your time doing it? Well, let's get you thrilled because you can now earn and make money online by watching YouTube videos. Yes, just by tapping that play button, you can have the chance to earn as much as $650 or more. This is totally free, available wherever you are in the world, and a great method for beginners to make money online easily. You don't even have to spend your money to do this, and you can absolutely use both smartphones and computers to use this website for you to earn while watching YouTube videos online. And as beginners, this is the easiest and simplest way for you to make money online. All you have to do is watch YouTube videos and cash out your earnings whenever you want. So, if you want to know this new way of making money online, make sure to watch this video all the way till the end so you won't miss any steps that I'm going to show you. And after watching this, you can go right ahead and start making money online. But before anything else, I would like to welcome you all to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the latest tips and trends on how to make fast money online, regardless of background and expertise. If you're into that, please tap the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell icon so you'll always be in the loop with the latest money-making news. If there are some online earning opportunities from home that you would like us to feature, let me know in the comments because I appreciate those. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step that you have to do is to open your browser and type in followfast.com. This website basically gives you the opportunity, especially to beginners, to earn and make money online through watching YouTube videos. Going back to the homepage of followfast.com, I want you to click this join button right here at the top right of your screen, and this will lead you to this page where you have to fill out some boxes with your personal information. You have to provide a username, your email address, you have to create a password as well and confirm it. This website also asks for your location, and you can leave this referral section here. Just type in the CAPTCHA code in this blank section and you can see the number code just beside it. Once you've filled out all the needed information, you can now click the join button below. Once you have successfully logged into your account, it will take you to this page. And as you can see at the top of your screen, your account is not fully verified yet. So you have to verify your email address so you can start earning without any hassle. And that is all you have to do to verify your account. And now, since you're all set, let's not waste time and let's make money online. So on the same page, I want you to click this YouTube button that says Place at the top of the screen. Once you click it, please scroll down a little bit so you can see how you can start watching the videos and earn money online. However, you can only earn money if you watch the video in a specific length of time. It can be 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or maybe 1 minute. So you have to stay tuned to this video so you will know how much time you need to watch so you can earn money online. For example, on the same page, you can see this video right here and it has specific points. Yes, every video has specific points. You can convert your accumulated points into cash when you earn them already. This video right here has 29 points. So if you want to get this point, just click the play button right here at the bottom and it will lead you to the YouTube video. Again, there's a specific amount of time you need to earn this point. And you're lucky that you're still watching because now I'm going to reveal a special tip in this video. By the way, I have more, so you have to stay focused and watch the video all the way till the end so you will catch all the tips that I'll be giving away. So, this is it. To earn the points, you have to watch the video for about 35 seconds. Yes, just as fast as that. You can earn money just by watching videos for only 35 seconds. You can guarantee that because if you return to the website, you can see the countdown has begun for 35 seconds. Once the countdown is complete and goes to 0, you can now instantly earn that specific point. So easy, right? You don't have to actually watch the video to earn points. You can just play it and do some other task or move on to another tab and work on something else. When the countdown is already finished, you can earn another point from the video you have just played. Since you've made it this deep into the video, I will be giving another bonus tip. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more money-making tips online. Going back to business, again, you have to watch the videos for 35 seconds. Well, 35 seconds is already short, but I will make your life even more simpler and easier with this bonus tip that I'm going to share to you. Since 35 seconds is still a moment of waiting, why not make it an all-in waiting? This means you can play the videos in multiple tabs, and while the videos are playing, you just have to wait for 35 seconds and earn multiple points when the countdown finishes. In other words, you don't have to waste 35 seconds waiting for another video to play and watch. The more videos you play, the more points you get. And the more points you get, of course, that's more cash you can convert. You can see your collected points at the top left of your screen. But wait, there's more. Do you think 35 seconds is fast? Well, let's make your life even easier. You might think, wait, so there's another way for me to wait even shorter than 35 seconds? The answer is yes, but I will tell you that in just a little bit. If you're still watching, type in "the wait is over" in the comments section and let's see how many comments we'll get. Since you're still with me, I'm now going to tell you the bonus tip for you to shorten that duration you need to earn points from the videos. Please go to the video you're playing and then go to the settings icon below and change the playback speed from normal to double. This is 2 right here. That means you will be able to play the video twice as fast, and you can do this to all the videos you are playing on multiple tabs. That way, you can multiply your earnings twice as fast. Since you're still with me, here's another tip. For you to save data and play as many videos as you can without lagging, you can actually play the videos at their lowest quality down to 144p. You can do this just by clicking the settings icon below the video and clicking quality and select 144p. This means you can play the videos without a hassle because it won't eat up so much of your data. But wait, I'm not yet done giving away tips. As you can see on the website, right at the top of your screen, there's a portion where it says Daily Bonus. This portion allows you to claim free bonus points every single day. That's every day that you log in to the website. There's another thing that will make you even more excited. You not only can claim free bonus points every day, but this website will also give you hourly bonus from the time you log in, and you can earn as much as $100 per day. And once you cash out your earnings, you can just click the Cash Out tab right at the top center of the screen, and this will lead you to the page where you will be asked what payment method you want to use. By just simply watching YouTube videos, you can convert the points into real cash and cash out whenever and wherever you want. Just make sure to have at least $1.5 before you cash out. This is the minimum amount to cash out your earnings. And then, wait for 3 to 5 days to get your cash. Please let us know in the comments if you'll try this method out to make money online by watching YouTube videos. If you found value in this video and would like to know more money-making hacks online, give us a huge thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the notification bell icon. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you and your time. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money-making video.